Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the wheel hub assembly on Peugeot Expert. First we start by removing the bolt for the drive shaft, the nut I mean. Next we remove the brake caliper and the brake caliper support. The brake caliper support is held by two bolts. Next we remove the brake disc. Is held by two bolts, which are I think Allen key size 5 or 6. Next we remove the bolt that holds the ball joint, and afterwards we remove the ball joint. We also need to remove the ABS sensor. I haven't shown a video of how to remove it, but it's a 10mm bolt and you just remove it. And the last thing we remove is the two bolts that hold the wheel hub assembly to the shock absorber. We remove those bolts and we can take the whole wheel hub assembly out and maybe change the wheel bearing. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if the video was helpful, to see more videos. Thank you. And we also need to remove the tire dent.